Hey everyone, this is John from Show Me Pickers, and today we're going to be pulling like 22 items that we sold on eBay over the weekend. So we're going to get right into it. We're going to waste any time. We're going to jump right into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Dab. Can you dab for me, Megan? No. Okay. Okay guys, this is the first hat that we sold. It was a Miller Lite hat. We sold it for $15 plus shipping. Not too bad. The next item that we sold here is this PS3 paperwork. We sold it for how much?
$14 plus shipping.
Not too bad. The next item that we sold here was this ZZ Top record. It sold for $13 plus shipping. That's an old one. We sold that for like a little bit less than $9 shipped. That thing has been listed forever. I'm glad that it's going to a good home. Yeah. Okay guys, we sold two different speakers. We sold the Proton. It sold for like 50 bucks. And how much did these sell for?
$18.55.
$18.55. So there's like almost 70 bucks there and just two sets of speakers. Not too bad. Okay guys, we have a PS3. I still got the PS4, but we've got this PS3. I believe we sold it for $100 plus shipping. So we sell a lot of electronics. Not too bad. I'll take that all day long. Okay, and the next item that we sold here is this old axe head. This thing is antique and it is rusty. How much did it sell for?
$25 plus shipping.
25 plus shipping. Looks like something you would have dug up out of the frickin' yard. Okay guys, the next item that we have here is a book called The Cutting Edge. It is a soft cover book. I put hardcover in the listing, so when we make mistakes like that, instead of just shipping the item out, we will contact the customer and see if they want us to continue with the order. If not, we will refund and relist. So there we go. The Cutting Edge sold for 15 bucks shipped. We have a set of tail lights here that we sold. How much were they, Francis?
$40 plus shipping.
You know you look pretty today.
Thank you.
You look beautiful. Okay guys, there is a lot of money in parts. I bought this at an auction. It was missing the food processor base motor part of it, but it came with all the other pieces that were brand new. And I sold this piece right here for 40 bucks shipped. That's not too bad. That's really good. You can make a lot of money parting out food processor stuff or any stuff. If in doubt, part it out. Looks like we got a couple hats here. I know this one sold for, I think I took a $10 offer on it because I didn't think anyone would ever want that, and it sold. Then we have the Sunco hat here, and I think that it sold for probably full price. It sold for 17 bucks, so not too bad. Both of them have $4 shipping. Okay, we got a couple of knives here. We've got this really nice little Colt pocket knife. It sold for 35, and then I've got the little Schrade here, and it sold for 25, and they were both with shipping. We don't do any free shipping anymore. Everything that we sell just about has shipping on it. There's still some items that I probably have listed that have free shipping, but I'm going through and editing all of these items and trying to get rid of everything that has free shipping because people still buying stuff. I mean, there's no need for free shipping. You don't even get an algorithm boost anymore, so don't ship it for free. I mean, I guess you can always bake it into the cost of your item, but I'm seeing better results with not free shipping, so there I have it. You do what you do, and I'll do what I do. Okay, we got some of this Gingy. I don't even know what that means, but we got that, and it's $17 free shipping. I just said I didn't do free shipping. Okay, the next item that we sold was this really cute little pair of brass partridges. How much do they sell for?
15 plus shipping.
Yeah, they always sell really good. Every time I find a pair of these brass partridges, they sell. Okay guys, and we have this butterfly pen for $8.50 plus shipping. Not too bad. Anything else?
Another car part.
Another car part, so we'll be right back. Some of these are so much easier to find because we have started doing a inventory. I have went through and listed all of these items here. For those who watch the channel often, you know that I've complained a lot about the lack of an inventory. Well, we've started doing like A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A, B, C, D, so on and so forth. It's made things a little bit easier, but we still have a couple thousand items that are not in inventory. So we just started, we're like, oh, we're going to start here, and that's how it's going to work. So that was an A1. It was pretty easy to find. How much does it sell for?
$22 plus shipping.
22, and then we have this car part that sold for $20 shipped. Okay, guys, we're kind of back here in the dark, a little bit of a dungeon, but we sold an Adidas. Who is it? What school is it from?
It's a Nebraska Huskers.
Nebraska Corn Huskers. And how much did it sell for?
20 plus shipping.
Not too bad. We have a lot of clothing listed, but we haven't sold a bunch of it. I don't do very well with the clothing. I don't know if it's because I price it too high or what, but I've just got like 7 totes of shirts upstairs that I got a list, so I don't know what I'm going to do with all this stuff. Maybe lot it up and find somebody that wants it. But that's it. Is that everything? Okay, guys, this is a bunch of stuff that we had listed that I'm now slowly going through my inventory and finding stuff that I've had listed for a long time and stuff that I had bought that were bad buys. And I have like the laser toner cartridge. I have this US Robotics modem. And then I have this. This is going to actually go home and give it to my boy. It's a dinosaur dig. I've got a Beatles DVD. I've got lock cylinder, and all of these we've had these so long the packaging has started to yellow in them. So we're gonna get rid of all this stuff. Some of it will go to the booth. I can take these up to the booth and put like $3 on them. They'll go up there. That'll probably go to the trash. This might go to the booth for $1. Maybe somebody will buy it that collects old electronic stuff, and that's trash. And that'll go to the booth as well. So the booth kind of is our dumping ground. It's where we send the stuff that we can't really sell, and that's the end and the out of that. So we are going through. We have like 2,500 items because I've been ending stuff and trying to get rid of some of the garbage, because it doesn't matter how many items you have listed. The number is irrelevant. It's, you want to put stuff on there that's going to be churning and making you money and not clogging up your inventory, because as time goes on, we are starting to kind of run out of room. I mean, we've got probably 1,400 square foot down here, and you know, it's getting pretty full. So we're gonna have to start making some decisions, and my decision is to start getting rid of some of this stuff and then taking it to the booth. And once it's up there for a while and it doesn't sell there, then it comes back and it will go to the dumpster. There's no, I've told you guys many times, there's no need to donate garbage. Don't donate garbage back to Goodwill. Throw it away. We did all we can do. At some point, you just got to cut the cord and let it go into eternity. Okay, guys, I have maybe, I don't know if this is the guy who tried getting into my store, but there is a guy out back right now digging in my dumpster, so we're gonna take a peek out the door and see what we can see. You see him? You see him? There he is. Huh. What's he digging for? Let's watch him.
Sitting on rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside.
Okay, guys, here's that nice ring light I got. This is this truck here. It's kind of filthy, a little rusty, whole lot of dirty. I have a miracle substance that's actually pretty awesome. This is what I love to use to clean stuff up. I don't know how well it'll work on this. This has probably had grime and stuff on it for a long time. So we're just going to spray this on. We'll flip her over. We'll get some all over it. I'll get some all over it. I like to let it set for a minute. I don't even dilute this stuff. Woo, if you see it, the gunkiness is already, look at the gunkiness right there. Look at it, watch this. Woo, look at that. Look at that, that's pretty gross. So I'm gonna get you guys secured up here, and I'm gonna clean this thing off, and I'm gonna show you how awesome this awesome spray is. Okay, so I got it right here. I'm going to get my cloth here. Now look how there's ages of dirt on there. And just like, once you Scrub on it a little bit. Scrub on it just a tiny bit. And it all comes off. Like that's, remember that's how dirty it was, and that's how clean the side got. Ooh. Disgusting. Disgusting. Okay. That dirt, that nastiness right there. I mean, this thing's pretty dirty. It's pretty old too, but let's clean her off here. Is it gonna be perfect? Nope. Is it gonna look a lot better? But sure enough it is. It's gonna be a lot better because that awesome spray just cuts right through the grime, right through it. And that's kind of what it looks like after the fact. She's pretty awesome. You gotta love her. Love it. Hey everyone, it's me and Cooper here, and we were just sitting outside on the swing enjoying this nice evening. I realized that I did not make an ending for this video, and I wanted to let everyone know that we appreciate you guys for watching, and that Cooper would really like it if you would go down and hit that subscribe button. He is a good puppy dog, and he is gone. So if you would go down and hit the subscribe button, and maybe like the video if you would. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you guys. Keep on digging, keep on picking, and as always, remember, the family that picks together sticks together. Goodbye.